I'm so excited. I'm getting the Sofwave treatment with Dr. Mueller in Beverly Hills today. It's the first big treatment I've done, and I've heard great results, and so I'm just really excited to do it today here.
Before Sofwave, I take before pictures with board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Gregory Mueller's high-tech imaging system. The doctor shared how my skin will benefit from Sofwave, which is FDA-cleared, non-invasive, and effective to lift the eyebrow and lax skin under the chin and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. As we age, collagen begins to diminish. Sofwave's superb technology heats collagen at the right temperature, leading to an increase in collagen and elastin, which are necessary for younger-looking skin. The results are instantly visible after 30 or 40-minute treatment, with even more improvement after 12 weeks. Sofwave works on all skin tones any time of year. There's no bruising and no lost time. You can go right about your day. I love how lifted my skin looks and feels right after Sofwave, and I'm excited to see my skin improve even more.